buy bonds on Charles Schwab, follow these steps. Open an account. If you don't already have one, open a brokerage account with Charles Schwab. Ensure your account is funded with the necessary funds for bond purchases. Research bonds. Utilize the research tools provided by Charles Schwab to research and identify suitable bonds for investment. Consider factors such as bond type, issuer, maturity date, and credit rating. Navigate to fixed income. Log into your Charles Schwab account and navigate to the fixed income section of the trading platform. This is where you will find bonds available for purchase. Select bonds. Browse through the available bonds and select the ones you're interested in purchasing. You can filter bonds based on criteria such as issuer, maturity, and yield. Place an order. Once you've chosen the bonds you want to buy, enter the quantity and other order details. Specify whether you want to buy bonds at the market price or set a limit price. Review and confirm. Review the details of your order, including the bond details and price. Ensure everything is accurate, then confirm and submit your order. Monitor your investment. After placing your order, monitor your bond investment through your Charles Schwab account. Keep track of bond prices, interest payments, and maturity dates.